episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code TheRamerator for a discount. This is a Sapporo Ichiban Miso. You might recognize the logo on that and everything, but this is a different one. I believe this is a shrimp flavored variety. How's everybody doing? It's kind of dark and funky looking outside. We will see how the day progresses. And we will add in this, which is a solid ingredient sachet. What do we got here? Looks like mostly onion. I found a food pin. And then there is a powder. So let's get you going. So what's going on? There's war, there's unhappiness, there's all sorts of business going on in the world today. At least in this neck of the woods. Who knows? Maybe you guys are all gone already. Oh. I'd better hurry because my wife's about to be on break. That does not help with my current situation here of doing the show. So I will wait to hear a beep beep. And maybe I'll be able to get through this before she's actually able to chat. She might not take her break today, actually. That would make sense. She's going to be done in an hour and 15. Hey, yeah. Monday. Another weird week. Last week, it was like all screwed up. It was like one day where they both went to school. Which sucks because they like school. So we'll see how it goes. And what else is going on around here? Been messing around with the arcade machine. That's this right here. If you can see it. That's the old arcade machine. And I need to get a soldering iron so I can do a couple points on the controls because they don't seem to want to work as well as they should. I've never really done any soldering before, so it's something I'll have to learn to do. I'm not above learning things. I like to learn. I really like to learn things. The only thing I really need to do is get that second controller working. The first one, it does pretty good, but it's like the second one I've messed around with it so much, I have no idea how one would make that work. I just need a kind person from the video game shop to come by and help me out. It'll happen. Feed him some ramen. Get me out. I got some noodles. This one smells really good. It smells kind of bacony. But I don't... It mentioned sea bream and shrimp. Miles is out there chattering to his tablet. Alright, come and have a look at the situation. Isn't there a rapper or some entertainer just called The Situation? What's your name? I'm The Situation. Oh. Are you also the elephant in the room? Nice noodle. Some of the garnish. Try the broth. Mm. Compelling. I want to try another of this noodle because this noodle is really surprising. It's got a very nice hue to it. It's very bouncy. Very bouncy. Like springy as hell. Yeah. That pleases me. Way to go, Miso people. Uh-oh. I have a feeling. There we go. Ooh. That's pretty good. Okay. I want to apologize for our friend Bunch. He's oh look, flower foo. Little teeny tiny flower foos. I love those. Those are neat. Look at that. It's a little flower shaped fish cake. All right. Yeah, I want to apologize to our friend Bunch, who's pretty active in the on the channel with questions and comments from time to time, and apologize because generally they like to watch the noodles cook and while I yammer and do so, and lately it's been a steeping kind of exercise, so not really a lot of, I mean, I'm not going to just like, I do the water boiling between episodes because that just adds more that I gotta do, and I don't want to do any more than I already do. So there. Reused chashu from the last episode. Hey, look at that. Doing my part to save the planet. I suppose. Yeah. I'm going to say it right now. I kind of question the whole concept of recycling. I get it. I think it's a good idea. I guess I more question the efficiency of recycling. Doesn't it take a lot of power to recycle things? And where's the power coming from? I mean, if you're getting it all from coal plants, doesn't that kind of defeat the whole purpose of recycling things to be more environmentally friendly when the way to do the recycling is absolutely not environmentally friendly? I don't know. It would be really stupid if all the recycling stuff was like that inefficient. I guess there was a thing with what are they called? Penn and Teller. They had a show called Bullshit, and they did a whole thing about recycling and said it was BS. But they're comedians, so it's like, I don't know. That Penn Jillette guy is kind of weird. I think he's kind of a little more political. Politics. I don't know. Alright, well, hey, thanks for watching. This has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. And if you ain't got nothing else going on, go on over to www.theramenraider.com. You can search and find your favorite instant noodles there. Trust me, I've tried it. By the time you see this, most likely I will have done over 4,820 instant noodle reviews. So check it out, have fun, ha ha ha, have a good one, bye bye. Right there. Yeah? No? Yeah? Yeah? There. I had some spring onion on my phone, as you can see. So, alright, have a good one. Bye-bye.